Change is invisible, and it takes the contrast of seeing and feeling the difference in before and after for you to even know that it has happened. The waves that flirt with the sand-covered shores also return to the depths of the ocean. The rising sun needs to set. Hearts are broken and mended, and then sometimes broken again. Even the breath we inhale needs to be exhaled. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. Close your eyes and place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Breathe into the gentle beating of your heart. And as you sit in a comfortable position, I want you to gently whisper to yourself, I love you. If you felt any resistance in your body at all as you whispered these 3 words to yourself, I want you to take a moment and ask yourself why. By telling yourself, I love you, and knowing that it is true, you start the process of an internal shift. Shifting from needing validation from the outside world and from others to discovering that everything you're searching for in someone else, it already lies within you. You, my beautiful soul, are more than enough. You are a masterpiece waiting to be uncovered. There is love radiating through you, coursing through your veins just as the blood courses through every ounce of your physical being. In an effort to please others, you cut off pieces of yourself and make physical alterations. You change who you authentically are to feel loved and accepted. Because as human beings, this is what we crave the most. We all want to be loved. But my darling, that type of love that you are searching for, it already lies within you. Each one of us is on our own journey and fighting our own battles. The only way forward is to tend to your own heart in the same way you are looking for someone else to. By connecting to your internal being that lives within you and to say, I love you. I have always loved you. When you learn to love yourself in the way you are longing for others to, all the rest just seems to fall into place. Commit to never abandoning yourself again. To become your own best friend. To be your own biggest fan. To be your soulmate. To be your strongest advocate. Breathe into your heart and trust in who you are. You are valuable. You have patience and an undeniable strength about you. With this type of support from you to you, your life starts to shift in a powerful way. The deepest longings in your heart start to fill in. Let your new journey begin today. With your hands still gently placed, with one over your heart and one over your belly, once again, I invite you to gently whisper to yourself, I love you. And feel how your body reacts differently this time. Notice how it doesn't feel so foreign. Change is invisible, and it takes the contrast of seeing and feeling the difference in before and after for you to even know that it has happened. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this meditation, I would love your support in growing this new channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.